guys, today we are reviewing another gun from Amazon. So the last gun wasn't from Amazon, it was from Walmart. I'm okay. Okay, so here's all of them. So there's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I haven't gotten all of those, but this is the box that it came with. And this is, and it's from the back, and it also has a back. And it also has a game introduction, cool styling, safety, soft bomb, and shooting range. And it's a mechanical ZPS. So let's get to unboxing. So speed it up. Okay, so I got them out, and it came with this. So let me see. Oh, so that's what the tip looks like. This is what the bullet looks like. Ooh, there's a little spring. Ooh, that's nice. And here's the revolver. Pretty neat. And I wonder if this... Oh, it does. That's sick. Oh, okay, I actually like that. So now let's get this loaded. So speed up. Okay, so I'm about to load it. Oh crap. And while you guys are chilling, I wanted to tell you guys, if you guys could get me to 99 subscribers, that would be a good amount. Or if you get me, or if you could get me to or 10,000 subscribers. Okay. Okay, loaded. Let's try and hit that box. Oh crap. Holy crap. That just came out. Let's try and shoot in the back to see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's all. And make sure to